Welcome to Simply Logical. This is Venkatesh. Here is a very interesting number puzzle. Use the numerals 1, 9, 9 and 6 exactly in the same order, and you need to make it equal to 28, 32, 35, 38, 72, 73, 76, 77, 100 and 1000 using common mathematical operations. You can use the mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square root, exponent symbol and brackets to make the statement true. Important note, use the numerals 1, 9, 9 and 6 exactly in the same order. Example, 1 into 9 plus 9 into 6 equals 63. This is just an example. As we can see here, numerals 1, 9, 9 and 6 used exactly in the same order, and common mathematical operations are used to achieve the solution. Hope you understood the problem statement. Pause the video and give it a try before checking the solution, and when you are ready, keep watching the video for a solution. Also, do not forget to comment if you found something interesting. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you do not miss any of our videos. So how can we solve this puzzle? It is important to mention that some of the equations have multiple answers. Due to time constraints, I am only going to present some of the solution, and you might have found another creative method to solve these equations. Let's everyone know your answer in the comment section. So now we'll start solving these one by one. The first challenge is to achieve the value 28. Here is a handy mathematician's trick. Since the square root of 9 is equal to 3, we can solve this by using the equation 1 plus 9 plus square root of 9 into 6. Once the square root is applied to this equation, we could solve this as 1 plus 9 plus 3 into 6. After solving this, this will yield 1 plus 9 plus 18, which is equal to 28. The next challenge is to achieve the value 32. This could be achieved by using division, multiplication and square root operations. We can solve this by using the equation 1 divided by square root of 9 into 96. Square root of 9 is 3. After solving, we get 1 by 3 into 96, which is equal to 32. 1 by 3rd of 96 is 32. Make sure you are using the brackets properly, else it may end up in wrong result. Next one is difficult to achieve, requires out of the box thinking. So this is how we can achieve the value 35 using the subtraction operation. The equation is minus 19 plus 9 into 6. 9 into 6 is 54. Subtracting the value minus 19 will yield 35. Note here that the order is retained. So that is the most important point in this particular question. You have to retain the order and then you have to achieve the result. Now see how to achieve 38. This can be achieved by using the square root and division operations. The equation is 19 divided by square root of 9 divided by 6. Square root of 9 is 3. Performing a reciprocity equation becomes 19 into 6 divided by 3. So after solving, this will yield 19 into 2, which is equal to 38. Surely we are making a good progress, but complex ones are yet to come. Let's solve. Let's check how to achieve 72. This can be achieved using square root, addition and multiplication operations. Equation is 1 plus square root of 9 into square root of 9 into 6. Square root of 9 is 3. Adding 3 to 1 will yield 4. And multiplying 3 with 6 will yield 18. Multiplying both, that is 4 and 18, will yield 72. Let's check the next one. Achieving 73 is simple. This can be achieved by using equation 19 plus 9 into 6, which is straightforward. After solving, the equation becomes 19 plus 54, which will yield 73. Now let's go to 76. This can be achieved easily. We can do something like 1 plus 9 into 9 minus 6. After solving, equation becomes 1 plus 81 minus 6. It is because 9 into 9 is 81. After solving, this will result in 76. So we must make sure that we are placing the brackets at right place. Because in any mathematical operations, the bracket plays a very vital role. So if you are placing the brackets at the wrong positions, then the outcome, the result will be different. Now let's go to 77. This is most easiest and trickiest one. This can be achieved using the equation minus 19 plus 96. So we have used the same trick earlier also. So this will result in 77. If you forget to use negative number, then you might be struggling to get the correct answer. So remember this trick. Now let's check for 100. Well, one trick we can use is, let's take the square root of 9 and add 1 and 96. Hence the equation is 1 plus square root of 9 plus 96. Solving, this will yield 1 plus 3 plus 96, which is equal to 100. Finally, how do we solve for 1000? Consider this to be the hardest of all of these equations. This can be achieved like this. Add the first two numbers, which will result in 10. Subtract the last two numbers, which will result in 3. Introduce exponent symbol between 2, which will result in 10 to the power of 3, which equals to 10 into 10 into 10, which results in 1000. We have achieved all numbers using the common mathematical operations. Thanks for watching this math video. Please help by subscribing for free to get the newest videos watching, and you can email me a puzzle which you are finding difficult to understand. I will help in solving the puzzle in simple steps. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support.